everyone. Today let's learn something about the blood group and blood transfusion. Blood group. It is a special agglutinogen type of red blood cells membrane. Red blood cells agglutination. Red blood cell agglutination is an immune reaction, that is, antigen and antibody binding. Here we should know antigen is agglutinogen, antibody is agglutinin. Hemolysis. Red blood cell is destroyed and hemoglobin is released. There are two important systems of blood group, including ABO and RH. First, let's learn ABO blood group system. The antigens are A and B. The antibodies are anti-A and anti-B. They are natural antibodies in our body, and they are IgM. Let's look at this form together. There are four blood groups, O, A, B, and AB. Blood group O has no antigen and has anti-A and anti-B. Blood group A has A antigen and anti-B. Blood group B has B antigen and anti-A. Blood group AB has A and B antigen but no antibody. We can deepen our impression through this picture. Okay, let's learn more about the antibodies of ABO blood group. The antibodies of ABO blood group are natural antibodies, IgM. They don't pass placenta and are synthesized after parturition, about 2 to 8 months, are most effective at 8 to 10 age. RH blood group system. Rhesus monkey. RH is the first two letters of the foreign name of rhesus monkey. All those who have RH agglutination on red blood cells are RH positive. On the contrary, they are RH negative. Antigen of RH blood group. 5 antigens are involved in RBC membrane. Capital C, C, capital D, capital E, E. If capital D antigen is involved in RBC membrane, this is RH positive. Antibody of RH blood group system. There is no natural antibody. Anti-RH are produced only when RH negative people receive RH positive blood through humoral immunity. So, it is generally safe after the first blood transfusion. Anti-RH are IgG. Look at this picture. The RH negative mother gave birth to a RH positive fetus, and the red blood cells of the fetus enters the mother through the placenta to stimulate the mother to produce anti-RH. And then this anti-RH enters the fetus through the placenta. Because the anti-RH antibody produced by the first fetus is very few, hemolytic disease of the newborn rarely occurs. But the anti-RH produced by the second RH positive fetus increased, which can lead to hemolytic disease of the newborn. Blood transfusion and cross-matching. The rule of blood transfusion. First, we should measure the ABO blood group and RH blood group of the recipient and the donor, because it is safe to transfusion each other same group. So, how can we recognize the ABO blood group? Let's look at this picture. If the blood agglutinates in the anti-A serum and the anti-A anti-B serum, the blood group is group A. If the blood agglutinates in the anti-B serum and the anti-A anti-B serum, the blood group is group B. If the blood agglutinates in the anti-A serum, anti-B serum, and the anti-A anti-B serum, the blood group is group AB. If the blood does not agglutinate in all three sera, the blood group is group O. Cross-matching. We should know the cross-match test. In the primary aspect, the blood recipient serum and the red blood cells of the blood donors are tested to find out whether the blood recipient serum contained antibodies that react with the red blood cells of the blood donors. And in the secondary aspect, the blood donor serum and the red blood cells of the blood recipients are used to find out whether there are incompatible antibodies in the blood donor serum. Different group transfusion law. First of all, it can only be used in case of emergency. Secondly, the speed of blood transfusion should be slow. Then, each blood transfusion should not exceed 200 milliliters. Finally, the patient's reaction should be closely monitored. That's all. Thanks for your attention.